how to convert currency in PayPal. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to convert currency in PayPal. So it's a very simple steps. All you need to do is log into your PayPal account. You could either go with a browser version or an app itself. And once you're logged into your PayPal account, and then you want to tap on the wallet section from the bottom of the page or from the bottom left or right corner. Find the currency balance you wish to convert and select more icon. Now in my case, I do not have certain amount or I do not have a fund, so interface will look quite different. But all you need to do is just go ahead and find the currency balance, alright? Then you want to click on the convert currency option from the menu bar that appears and select target currency. Then enter the exact amount that you want to convert and click next to view the conversion rate as well. Then you could go ahead and review the details and click convert now to instantly convert your money. And this is the way you could convert currency in PayPal. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.